Hi, hello and welcome to Designer by Design. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image or to make the background transparent in the latest version of PowerPoint. To remove the background from a picture, you actually have two methods to do this in PowerPoint. First one is with a Set Transparent Color tool, and the second option is Remove Background tool. If I reset the picture, you can see the original image. These are other two examples. So let's look at each of the two methods now. First one is using Set Transparent Color tool. Insert a picture onto your slide and then make sure you have it selected. Once you have your picture selected, go up to the Picture Tools Format tab and find the Color command within the drop-down menu. You will see the Set Transparent Color tool. Click on it and you will notice your cursor will turn into a little pen. If you now click on the area that you want to remove, PowerPoint will take that area and turn it transparent. This method works well if you have an image or any photo with a clear and crisp background. While this tool is pretty amazing, it also has limitations. It does not work if the background isn't a uniform color or if it has a gradient, like in these two pictures. It can be quite hard to remove the background. This is the quickest and most effective way to remove the background from a picture. If this doesn't work for you, you will need to go to method number 2, that's Remove Background tool. You will need to insert a picture onto your slide. Once you have the picture, select it and then go up to the Picture Tools Format tab in here. Find the Remove Background command. When you click on it, you will notice that PowerPoint turns your picture magenta. What you need to remember is that the magenta parts are what PowerPoint is telling you it's going to remove from the picture. And the areas that are the original color as in the original picture, these are the areas that PowerPoint are going to keep. Now in this picture, we have a pretty clean first attempt. PowerPoint is trying to guess what you want to keep and what you want to remove. Now, here it's done a pretty good job, but I still need to make a few edits. So what we are going to do is you can actually select one of these two tools, Mark Areas to Keep or Mark Areas to Remove. And these will help you tell PowerPoint what you want to remove and what you want to stay in your picture. So I'm going to select Mark Areas to Keep here. Once I click it, my cursor will turn into a little pen that I can use to mark onto this picture. So I'm just going to draw the line here. PowerPoint will try to interpret and include that area in the picture and adjust the magenta color and the color areas indicating what will be removed in the picture. Once you are done marking, you can just click away from your picture and the changes will keep turning your background transparent. Now let's look at another example. For images with complex background, I suggest you zoom the picture and keep marking the areas that you want to keep and that you want to remove. With every line you mark, PowerPoint will try to interpret and snap to the nearest border it finds. With little patience, you can complete marking all the areas and remove the background that you want to discard. Once you know how to remove a background, you can let your creativity flow and achieve cool effects. So if at any point you want to go back to the original picture and discard any of the changes that you made, you can either go to the remove background command and select discard changes, or you can select your picture and go to reset picture. This will reset your picture to how it was originally before you made any changes. Those are just two methods to go back to the original picture. Here are a few examples how I transformed the images after removing the backgrounds from the picture. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more helpful videos, check out the links below in the description. Do like and subscribe to Designer by Design. See you in another video. Bye now.